everyone, and good Election Day evening. I know a lot of people are glued to their devices and televisions this evening watching the results come in, but let's take a few minutes and talk about the weather. There's very little exciting weather coming our way in the coming days, but we'll find some interesting things to discuss nonetheless. It was a bright and sunny afternoon today, and a nice sunset at about 5:16 this evening over Youngstown and throughout the region. We'll have more bright sunsets just like that coming up in the next several days. 56 today. It was an overachiever today. I had 52 in the forecast, but we overachieved a little today at 56 after starting at 35 this morning. If we got 4 degrees warmer than our expected high today, that gives me great confidence that our forecast is not too warm later this week into the weekend. I've been pretty aggressive with our forecasted temperatures, and I have record-breaking days now in the forecast for Sunday and Monday, or I should say a Monday and Tuesday. But even this weekend, while we won't be breaking any records, we'll still get pretty close to the 70-degree mark by the weekend. What a quiet election day weather-wise from coast to coast with only a couple of exceptions. A couple of flurries in New England, rain showers in the Pacific Northwest around Seattle and up towards Vancouver, a couple of random showers over some of the higher terrain in the desert Southwest, but boy, that is it. And it is balmy in a lot of places. Now, New England's still pretty cold, but look at these temperatures in the middle of the country. You know, some of these places had well below zero temperatures a week ago in that Arctic outbreak. Denver's in the mid-70s this evening, pushing 75 in Omaha, even up in the Twin Cities. It's in the lower 70s early this evening. All right, over the next couple of days, smooth sailing aside from a little bit of a gusty breeze, which will develop in the afternoon, both on Wednesday and again on Thursday. Nothing to write home about, nothing that's going to cause too many problems, but a little bit breezy from time to time. Otherwise, bright and sunny for Wednesday. I think there will be a little disturbance that approaches on Thursday and provides a veil of high cirrus clouds. May make for kind of a milky sky at times. It won't be as pristine looking on Thursday, but by Friday we're back to the just wall-to-wall sunshine that we had today and we'll have again tomorrow. What a gorgeous afternoon on Friday. And if you like Friday, wait until you check out the weekend. Look how far above average these temperatures will be in the coming days. By the weekend, we'll be between 16 and 19 degrees above average. By Tuesday, 22 degrees warmer than average. Our average high next Tuesday is 51. I have 73 now in the forecast for Tuesday. Records, Monday the record is 72, set in 1999. I now have a forecast of 73. I also have a forecast of 73 on Tuesday. The record is low-hanging fruit on Tuesday. That record is 68, set in 1949. So we could break that by a good 5 degrees. Now you'll notice, as we head towards the middle of next week, a little bit of a downward trend in our temperatures expected, but I'm not expecting any sort of harsh chill coming our way anytime real soon once we get through the next 7 days, while it will be a little cooler middle of next week. After that, some good news for warm weather lovers. The modeling is really showing, while the pattern will relax some middle of next week as some of this cooler air bleeds east, watch what happens after that. This is the European model, but it has the support of some of the other modeling. Here's the 13th of November, in other words, about a week and a half from right now, and then into the following weekend, and beyond that, all this orange across the eastern two-thirds of the country. So even though the pattern will not be as warm middle of next week, after that, I don't see any model evidence to suggest that the middle of November, all the way through probably at least the 20th, will be anything but warmer than average. And could this be a precursor of the winter pattern? May very well be. Thursday evening, 21 News, 6 and 11, and right here online. Same place you usually watch weather for Weather Geeks, whether it be on YouTube or through a link on my Facebook or Twitter. You're going to watch the version that is geared towards enthusiasts and geeks and those who really like a lot of detail. Maybe you're a contractor, you have a snow plow business, your business deals with winter weather in some way. That's the version you want to watch. The online version Thursday evening, but the 3-minute version will be available. And I'll also be talking about the winter forecast in great detail on my weather blog. It's ericwfmj.com. I haven't posted much on my weather blog in recent months because, frankly, our weather's been kind of uninteresting late in the summer and early in the fall. But we'll be posting a written version of the winter forecast right there on my blog. And as we head into the winter season, we have more impactful, eventful weather. I'll be doing occasional blog posts on there from time to time. All right, that's it for me. Have a great rest of your Election Day evening. I'll see you back here, same time, same place, on Wednesday.